Hello everyone, this is Tahmidur Rahman and today I'm going to talk about how to open a company in Bangladesh. Step number 1. We need to search the proposed name first to find out whether the desired name is already been taken by another registered company or not. If it is available, we will be eligible to apply for the name clearance. And for that, we will have to submit the required amount to a designated bank. It is very possible to receive the name clearance certificate within 2 working days. Step number 2. After receiving the name clearance, you will provide the objectives of your company to your chosen law firm. And after that, we will draft the Articles of Association and the Memorandum of Association, that is the AoA and the MoA for your company. The MoA of your company is basically the constitution of your future company. The MoA will include the particulars of the directors and the shareholders. It's also important to note that every company at least must have 2 directors according to Bangladeshi company law. Step number 3. After finalizing the Articles of Association and the Memorandum of Association, we will need to file the Form 12 along with the photos of the shareholders and the office address of your proposed company to the RJSC, that is the Registered Joint Stock Exchange Company. And after that, we will need to deposit the government fee to the designated bank. The government fee is based on the authorized capital of your proposed company. For example, if the authorized capital is BDT 5 crore, then the government fee will be around 48,000 to 50,000. And if the authorized capital is BDT 1 crore, then the amount will be around 17,000 BDT. Step number 5. As per the RJSC rule, after receiving the money, the RJSC will either issue an incorporation of certificate or will reject the company application within 28 working days. Although it takes 28 working days, but if you're in a hurry or if you have a valid emergency, we can get the certificate within 7 working days after the submission of the government fee. After receiving the incorporation certificate, we will apply for the tax identification number, that is the TIN. We will be able to receive the TIN within 1 working day of our application. Step number 7. In addition to those, we will apply for the trade license after submitting the relevant documents and the government fees. Hopefully, we will be able to receive the trade license within 3 to 5 working days of our application. Step number 8. Finally, you will need to submit the incorporation certificate, the trade license, and the board resolution to your designated bank to open your bank account. And that's it. Voila! You'll be able to start the operations of your legitimate company as a limited company in Bangladesh. That's it for today. If you have any questions regarding the company formation in Bangladesh, please comment below. Or if you want more instructional videos like that, please subscribe. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact the law firm in the given description box. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. আপনাকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ. Be kind, be happy. Assalamu alaikum.